Mastering indirect requests. I was hoping. Technique. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into an essential component of conversational English, particularly when making requests and offers. The focus of this lesson is on using the phrase, I was hoping, to make indirect requests and offers. This technique allows us to ask for something or propose an offer in a polite and friendly way, making our conversations more smooth and natural. First off, let's clarify what we mean by, I was hoping. This phrase is used to express a desire or intention in a polite and slightly indirect way. It suggests a sense of politeness and consideration, which is crucial in English-speaking cultures, especially when making requests or offers. Here are a couple of examples. I was hoping you could help me with this project. I was hoping we could have dinner sometime. In these sentences, I was hoping is used to soften the request, making it feel less direct and therefore less demanding or imposing. Now, let's explore how to use I was hoping in different contexts. When making a request, we usually follow this structure. I was hoping plus you could plus action. Let's look at some examples. I was hoping you could lend me that book. I was hoping you could give me a ride to the airport. Notice how these requests don't sound demanding. That's the magic of using I was hoping. Similarly, we can use I was hoping to make offers in a humble and considerate way. The usual structure is I was hoping plus we could plus action. Here are some examples. I was hoping we could go to the movies tonight. I was hoping we could study for the test together. Using I was hoping in offers helps to create a friendly and cooperative atmosphere, making the other person more likely to accept your proposal. Alright, it's time for some practice. Try to create your own sentences using I was hoping. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this phrase, the more comfortable you'll become with it. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using the phrase, I was hoping. As always, continue practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep going, and you'll get there. Happy learning, everyone!